There's a new book coming out soon called The Star Trek Book of Friendship, and it's by Rob Perlman and Jordan Hoffman with beautiful illustrations by J.K. Woodward. Now, in a separate video, I will be interviewing the authors and find out what was going through their heads as they were talking about friendship in the book. But for now, I just wanted to give you a video and have a look inside so you can see what the book is all about. All right, let's have a look inside. I wanted to point this out specifically because, listen, this is a book that is intended to be given as a gift. It's very sweet. So the foreword here is by Robert Picardo and Ethan Phillips, who are, of course, both on Star Trek Voyager and friends in real life. They have a good conversation here talking about their friendship before and since Voyager, some of their roles and what it's like, and what it's like to be friends with each other. It's very cute. So here are authors, Rob Perlman and Jordan Hoffman. I don't think they dress like that every day. We'll find out. I am skipping a few pages. So this book is largely a conversation between Rob and Jordan. And it's talking about different aspects of the Star Trek franchise and different aspects of their personality. And like I said before, it's beautifully illustrated by J.K. Woodward. I love this one. This is really a love letter to friendship in the Star Trek universe. Okay, sorry. There are a couple of cameos in here, including by Dr. Erin MacDonald, who, as you know, is a Star Trek science advisor. She helps out with the conversation. It's lovely to see that they even talk about the non-humanoid friendships in the show. So there you go. The Star Trek Book of Friendship. Now there's one last thing to be done. Does it pass the smell test? Spoiler alert, it does. If you're one of those people who smelled their yearbooks when you first got them, it's a good one. Go pick it up soon from May 10th from Smart Pop Books.